And special thanks to our friends at Crave who were nice enough to send us this silver USB Type-C to Type-C cable. You can see here on the back a little bit of how this cable is made. This is a 3-foot nylon braid cable. Now I gotta say, love the attention to detail, and then like, really, for a cable? Like, this is the fanciest cable. Oh my God, wow. This is really the fanciest cable unboxing I've ever done. Love that American-owned logo. Very nice. Warranty, 100% satisfaction, leading technology. Very nice. Wow. I didn't realize this is what the unboxing experience was gonna be. Very cool. So this should be, I wouldn't. Yep, nothing else in there. And this is a look at the 3-foot USB-C to USB-C braided cable. Now personally, I'm gonna use this with my MacBook and everything. Need me a nice cable to charge with. Granted, it's only 3 feet, but sometimes that's all I need. So love their little Crave logo on it though. The USB-C heads are all one piece, which means they're very good quality. Whenever you see that line in between your USB-C port, that means it's not as high of quality. So of course the braided cable should stop the chewing from animals, and at the end of the day, it's a perfect cable to charge or connect your device to a computer. Thanks again to Crave, who was nice enough to send these to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.